Welcome to Mastering ATS, the ultimate guide to crafting job-winning resumes. Today, we'll explore step-by-step methods to build an ATS-friendly resume that will boost your chances of landing your dream job. Let's get started. Step 1. Format your resume properly. Use a clean and professional layout with standard fonts. Avoid tables, graphics, and text boxes. Stick to a chronological or functional format for easy scanning by the ATS. Step 2. Optimize your content. Tailor your resume to match the job description. Include relevant keywords from the job posting within your resume to grab the attention of the ATS. Use industry-specific terms and phrases to highlight your skills and experience. Step 3. Choose the right file format. Save your resume as a PDF to retain formatting. Avoid using Word documents as formatting may change between different ATS systems. Ensure the file size is reasonable for easy uploading. Step 4. Use the right headings. Start with a clear and concise resume objective statement or summary to catch the ATS's interest. Divide your resume into sections such as education, work experience, skills, and certifications. Step 5. Mirror the job requirements. Ensure your skills and experiences align with what the job posting is looking for. Use examples and quantifiable achievements to demonstrate your abilities. Step 6. Mention important details. Include relevant contact information, such as a professional email address, phone number, and LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to list your degrees, affiliations, and any relevant certifications. Step 7. Proofread and edit. Eliminate any spelling or grammatical errors. Read your resume aloud or ask someone else to proofread it for you. Remember, a polished resume shows your attention to detail. That's it for our step-by-step guide to crafting job-winning resumes. Remember to tailor your resume to each job you apply for and stay up to date with the latest ATS trends.